Fetch rewards, referral bonuses, are shown directly inside the app, and the amount you receive depends on the referral promotion available on your account. By the end, you'll know where to find the current Fetch Rewards referral bonus, how the referral process works, and what to check before expecting rewards. The first place to check is the referral section inside the Fetch Rewards app. This area shows the current referral offer, your referral code or link, and the requirements needed for the bonus. Referral bonuses can change over time, so the amount available in the app is the most accurate information for your account. The second step is understanding how the referral process works. You share your referral code or link with someone who wants to join Fetch Rewards. The new user needs to complete the required steps shown in the referral promotion before the bonus is added. Checking the requirements before sharing your code prevents confusion. Some promotions may require specific actions from the new account before rewards are credited. If your referral bonus does not appear, check the referral status inside the app. Confirm that the person used your referral link or code and completed the listed requirements. You should also check that both accounts are connected correctly and that the promotion is still active. Another thing to remember is that referral rewards are separate from the points you earn from scanning receipts. The referral bonus follows its own rules and requirements. If you are trying to maximize referrals, share your code with people who are already interested in using a rewards app. A referral only helps when the new user completes the required steps. Avoid assuming the bonus amount from older promotions because Fetch Rewards can update referral offers. Always check the current offer displayed in your app before sharing your code. The easiest way to track your referral is to return to the referral section after someone joins and review the status of the reward. To summarize, the Fetch Rewards referral bonus amount is shown inside the app. The new user must complete the required steps, and checking the promotion details helps avoid missed rewards. Your next step is to open Fetch Rewards, find your referral section, and review the current bonus requirements before sending your code. If this guide helped you understand Fetch Rewards referrals, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.